Hey Mike, this is Dorani. The best thing about this program is you guide hands on to them, every person. And the challenge, big challenges was to find you, find the right person. And I found you, I'm the best. I feel like I'm blessed to find you. And about Investor Mike, you are the best because there are no string attached. And B&B blueprint is crystal clear if you join the program. If you don't, if you just join the Friday Super Bowl, also you will get a lot of things. He goes that for free. He gives out everybody free. But getting into the program, you have a lot, and this is the best. So I want to thank you genuinely. I have a heartfelt thank you to Mike because I'm blessed. He picked out of 200 or 300 people. He picked me to be in the program. I'm blessed. I'm excited to rock and roll and build the life that I want. So thank you so much. One good thing I want to add to this program is if I want to join is I can speak multiple languages. That might help to make reach your videos to those people who are in need of this kind of program. That would be my contribution.